Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Learn English Easy Way. I'm Emily.
And I'm Paul. Great to see you again.
Today's topic is something every English learner needs.
Something that helps you speak faster, smoother, and more naturally.
The topic is how to think in English.
Yes, thinking in English, not translating.
Many students ask us, Miss, I want English to come naturally. What should I do?
And some say, my brain thinks in my language, and English comes late.
Yes, that happens to everyone. Why thinking in English is important? When you think in English, you speak faster.
No translation, no delay, no wait.
Your brain becomes comfortable with English words.
Like English becomes your brain's roommate.
Exactly. Always inside your mind.
Reason 1. Translation slows you down. Your brain thinks in your language.
Then tries to translate into English.
And by the time you speak, the moment is gone.
Translation is too slow.
That's why people say, yes, no, wait, 1 second.
Yes, we all do that.
Reason 2. Less daily connection with English. You understand English, but you don't use English in daily thinking.
And if you don't use it, the brain forgets it.
Brain, why you forget English?
Because you didn't remind it.
How to start thinking in English? Okay, time for solutions. 1. Start with small words.
Don't start with big sentences. Start with simple thoughts like water, phone, hungry.
Small English creates big habits.
2. Use short phrases. Think, I'm tired. Let's go. Where is my bag?
Easy English is good English.
3. Describe what you see. Look around and think in English. For example, I see a chair. I hear a bird.
Not out loud, or people will stare.
Yes, just in your mind.
4. Self-talk practice. No one is watching. Say small things to yourself. What should I eat? Where are my shoes?
This is real brain training.
5. Surround yourself with English. Songs, YouTube, podcasts.
The more English you hear, the more your mind thinks in English naturally. Small role play. Let's show how thinking in English works.
Emily, my brain always thinks in my language first.
It's okay, Paul. Start small. Think of one English word around you.
Table?
Good. Now think a short phrase.
This is a table.
See? Your brain is learning already.
Final message. Thinking in English is a daily habit.
You don't need perfect sentences. You just need simple beginnings.
Don't translate, don't wait,
Think with the English you have right now.
and your speaking will improve naturally.
Thank you for learning with us today.
Keep thinking, keep practicing, and keep improving.
See you next time. Bye.